morning YouTube. My name is Sagar. You're watching Snap My Moto. Today is Sunday and I have decided to go on a short ride to Kalu Waterfalls. So this is about 110 kilometers from Pune, and yeah man, I'm super excited to go on this ride. So let's just quickly warm up the bike and I'll catch you guys on the road. Bye bye. Boy, oh boy, it's been so freaking long that I made a moto vlog. The issue was that my GoPro had it just all of a sudden died, man. I was trying to make a vlog of Mysore to Pune, but on the way, it just gave up on me, and it took quite some time to get it fixed as well. So yeah, all things aside, finally we are on road. This is that hill from close by. I'm not sure of the name, but no idea about the name, man. But these are all super small, tiny hills. And these are the worst things about Pune that I've seen. In rainy, man, it becomes Ladakh. The whole city becomes Ladakh, not just few areas. Oh god. Right in front of my house, there is a huge flooding. A week before, there was one huge rain that came for about 40-45 minutes, and then the water clogged and it flooded to the height of about 4.5 feet. See, the whole city had that. But other than that, city is very scenic and beautiful. One thing that I've noticed here is nobody wears helmet. It is so freaking rare to see anybody wearing a helmet. And imagine Pune is such humongous city. Look at this scenic route, man. Oh boy. Looks so beautiful. look at this green. I mean, this is that yellowish green. I can't even describe, man. This just looks so smooth. I don't know. It just looks awesome. So this is the place where I had my lunch. I just stopped because the view was pretty good. And that is the dam, it seems. I got to know now. And that vertical lake that I was saying was a dam. So this is a dam. Done with my lunch, and the route to go towards Kalu Waterfalls is, and you have to go straight, and then there is a small tapri from which you have to take a left. But since it's raining, and so I'll be keeping the GoPro in, and I'll start recording once the rain reduces or I find a good view. If at all I had a riding partner or even at least a pillion, I could have dared enough to take the bike here. But being alone, and I'm absolutely clueless about the path as well, so I didn't want to take any risks. So I've left the bike near that tapri. And on my slick tires of Dominar, this would have been quite difficult as well. So you definitely need someone with you for sure to push you around and get you out of this. Finally, I see some kind of human civilization in this abandoned region. So this is how the path goes. So this is Kalu Waterfalls.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.